Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Image Playground on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, you need to open Image Playground app on your iPhone. Make sure you are using iPhone iOS 18.2 or later. Tap plus sign to create a new image. From here, you can choose animation or illustration. Tap choose photo or take photo. Select one from your photo gallery. This will start generating image based on your photo. Now swipe through suggestions to tweak your image. You can choose any option. Swipe right to left on the image preview to see the variation of the image that Apple Intelligence has generated. You can add and remove options to customize your image. To save this image, tap Done button on top right, then tap Share button on bottom left, tap Save Image. You can also create image by tap plus sign, then describe your image using text, tap Send button. This will generate image based on your text. So these are the steps to use Playground on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.